I am GS Sadeva. I am telling about you nature and the human body, soul and existence, mind at your at present level, which are doing you and you are living in the present. The human body is existence of five elements preparation by nature and Dev Shakti by air, water, power, earth and ether, that is space. These five elements has in the human body and 84, you have to see that 84 lakh colonies are existence by the nature, and the human body is the important aspect of by giving by Dev Shakti and by God, by any power which you have to resume to power that which you have not, you can only feel but you have not see by your eyes on the existence in when you are living your life. You resume to that any power has control all the world on the nature, but you have not seen Dev Shakti. Nobody has seen. Now, these are the better aspect which the nature has given to you because you are human body and soul and mind to see by your eyes and feeling of anything you have seen in the nature, either wrong or right, thoughts or differently, everybody to the every aspect of life you have seen. You have seen that different kind of persons, if your mind is going to that place and your thought is very much deep, but an uneducated person has don't realize you and don't think what you are thinking. Secondly, this human body is made by by five elements are there. I have seen told to you by air, fire, power and, but almost 99% of the mass of human body is made of six elements, that is firstly oxygen, carbon, nitrogen and hydrocarbon, calcium and phosphorus. These are within our body, and the five elements which I have talked to you is around you. Without air, the person, no person will be all died, no person will be resumed to life. Secondly, but when you are going in life, you have to see there's your sacraments and thoughts. If these two things are on the right way, right path the person has going to, then your life will be going to in a prosperous way. Two things are indefinitely within our body. First, the soul and the mind. I told you that in the last we have told you, mind is watering in the air, mind thoughts are dazzling. When you see your mind, your wishes wants to make money, I will be a crorepati. The things which I have seen to you, that a bangla or a car or anything which you have to see and is the material things, but the person wants to. And on this mind, if the person is going by mind, if your mind is not controlled by anybody, the person assume to go with going to in the not in the right path, but on the material things in the world which you have seen, you want to collect. I know that for the living of any person, any human being, or for the family, money is necessary. But money is necessary for what? For living, for wearing clothes, for your residence, for your child education, and for the future someone savings will be there. For the emergency, you need money. Everything around the world you have to see in going to by the way of expenses of money. If you have expense, you have earned the money. In the family, you have to see, if one person now at this outside stage of very expensive in nature, now the world is very expensive, to live is very expensive. So earning should be there, but our thought is that immaterial things, if you have to collect in the vast stage, in the growing stage, you have to collect the monies, and your body, human body, is someone to the years that will be in deficiency mode, in going to around the path of death. And now in this criteria, I told you that in India, average living of life for the person, average person, seems to be 75. If you are now 60 or 65, that remains in average. You have told that 10 years are back, and after 10 years we have to go to exist into death. So you have to given for your own time, for the soul. Soul is pure, and soul does not, soul has already told you when you are going to in the continuation of living life, they told that this part is wrong and these things are not good for you. But the persons in to see the circumstances, he himself has not deprived and control itself for the living, for the earning. Then next thing is, if you are going to only by your mind and not with the soul, then your worry in future will be almost set to in a dangerous stage, because of your body will not in a strength mode. You see, Yogi and Maharishi has going with nature. He knows that these 5 elements are there, and 99% of the mass things they know all, because Yogi is a very nearby, within range of natures, and he lives around 90-95. To understand, because Yogi is understand the law of nature, and to use yoga to attain what he attained: wisdom, knowledge, power, greater health and happiness, incomparatively to the other existence person which you are seeing in life. In an average person, life is 75, but you have to see yoga that Yogi Mahapurush has attained the age of 90 plus. Then, next comes to, if you are going with all these sacraments, but your thoughts are not pure, that you will be in nature, within the society, your value seems to be in a decreasing mode. And if you want to pure and your thoughts are good, society will love you, family will love you, and the world, you have to presume your qualification, your sacraments, your thoughts will be gone to the philosopher of knowledge within the world. Thirdly, I want to told you only one of the aspect remains in this which have the you have not. Hindus are always, you have to see that Muslims sacraments are a strict discipline. In a way, he has to 5 times in a year, Ramzan are there, Eid are there, but you see his religious. This is controversial subject which I am talking to you, that now the Hindus and Islams, I don't want to at this stage of time that thoughts will be in differently things which I am going to. I am telling you that one person of Hindus, you have not delivered your mind with the good books, with the existence good personalities like Acharya Vinoba Bhave, Veer Savarkar, Sardar Patel, and Saraswati, Dayanand Saraswati. And secondly, things is you have not read the books relating to a great scientist, formerly APJ Abdul Kalam, Einstein of in the foreign one of the country which Einstein was living is a, you have to see the sculpture of thoughts of books relating to these persons, and you have to read also the great philosopher Socrates, Chanakya. That will give you the good ideas, and your brain will be washed out and going to in differently stage. You will presume to that you are the important aspect of this social human being. Secondly, in Vedas, I have told you that 4 Vedas, Ragurved, Samved, Yajurved and Arthved. You have to see and learn about these books. Learning of the books of the ancient Vedas, Ramcharitmanas, and the things like Shiv Puran, you must read these books. Then your soul, your body will be going within the range in the exact way, and you will be then a brilliant human being, empowered the ways, the times to come. Thirdly, in Hindus we have to see that are not going every day, every moment, going to Aarti in a day of Tuesday, you have to go on to these strength by the Guru Shakti, I have told you. But you are, I want that, I wish to, that you must go your mandirs, your worships every day, and presume in your mind moments will be happiness in your life, because you go in a very rare way of to mandirs, and so your life are not going in the right way, good way. You have to see, learn hard of pravachan by the yogis. Great yogis are there now in India at present time. I have not to talk at this time the culprits like these former Asaram Bapu. These are fraudulent activities they have now. That is different aspect. I don't to tell you at this time. But I am the last this video that your soul will be good. You have to read good books, either your great heroes, great personalities like Chandrasekhar Azad, Maharana Pratap, Shivaji, and the long things which you have to, when you see the books of Veer Savarkar and others, then your love will be with the nation. That this is very necessary, that you preserve to love your this nation, India. Hindus will be united, and Hindus, I want